Hey guys, how's it going? Got a really cool horn to look at today. Now this is an early 50s Leslie S3L bronze tabby. This horn, one of my favorite horns in the collection, one of my favorite 3 chimes. It's got your 2-piece welded bells. It's got a 25, a 31, and a 44. They're all square bells, and then the 25 and the 31 are 2-piece welded bells. Now these bells are just early 50s only. Very rare bells, and they are getting extremely expensive. Unfortunately, they're just very uncommon and really hard to find. But that's a 2-piece 25 square, and this is the square 31 2-piece welded bells. So this is a bronze tabby horn. So you've got these S heads. These are tabbies. They're all bronze. They're getting really hard to find too, unfortunately. These are just your old 50s. I believe it was after 57. I'll have to look. After then, they went to aluminum tabbies, and I want to say those ran through 67, I believe. So they just they sound great, really good sounding. All 3 of these are remachined. They've been gone through. This whole horn has been gone through, so it's been refurbished. It's on a diamond manifold, which is the high mount manifold. There's also a low mount manifold for Leslie. So that's this manifold, but really good sounding horn. So this is the Leslie S3L bronze tabby.